Happy April! It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries here with the video demo for April's Kids Craft Take-A-Make Kit. So this month we are going to make, I call this Flower Power, a paper flower. So you can pick up your free kit at Columbus or Saluda Library. It contains all the materials you need to make this other than glue and tape. And I also encourage you to check out our website or Facebook page to see what kids events we have coming up this month. We have a program about elephants and one about elk. We're also going to have art in the park, and our story time is starting back up. So make sure you check out online what fun programs you can attend and follow along to learn how to make your flower power. Okay, so you have opened your Take-A-Make kit. Inside, you'll find you have a lot of strips of paper. You have 7 strips of one color. I have pink. You have 7 strips of another color. I have a dark red maroon. You have 2 circles. I have blue circles. And you have a green straw for your flower stem. And then not included in the kit, you'll need a glue stick. We've given glue sticks out in a few of our kits, so hopefully you have one of those still at home, and you're also going to need a piece of tape. So the first step is we're going to make the flower petals. There are going to be 14 petals. You're going to use all 14 of your paper strips, and you're going to glue them together. So you're just going to take a long strip, fold it over, and glue it together right there. So I'm going to put some glue stick on the end of the strip there. Put the other side, and it is glued together. So you are going to do that with all 14 strips and then go on to the next part of the video. Okay, so after you put together your 14 flower petals with the glue and let it dry, you're going to attach them to the center of your flower, these circles. So as you can see, I've already attached my dark maroon petals to the circle. I realized this is a lot bigger than the example flower that I made, so I am going to put a little note at the beginning of the video that if you want smaller flower petals, to go ahead and cut your paper strips before you do this. So you can see that's what I did with the red. I'm going to show you with the pink. So you're going to put glue all through that circle. You know what, I'm also going to look up what the middle of a flower is called. I should know that. And then you're going to put the 7 strips of one color on the circle, on each circle. Kind of arrange them so they're mostly equal distance apart. Don't worry if you got some extra glue, it'll dry clear. It looks purple now, but alright, so you can see I put my 7 pink strips and then my 7 maroon strips, each on a circle. Now we're going to connect them. So we're going to get our glue, we're going to put it on top of those strips on the circle. Try to get a pretty good amount. Make sure you're putting it on the inside. So we're going to glue this together. Alright guys, now comes the tricky part. We want to put these together, but we kind of want them to be alternating. So I might have to switch it around a little bit so you have pink, maroon, pink, maroon, pink, maroon. And then our last step is taping our straw for the stem. So, one side of the circle, you're going to tape that straw on, and then voila, flower power! Hope you guys enjoy.